Hey guys, how it's going this week? As you remember, I told you I will put a PS2 in my Ford Focus. So I got some broken wire, 12-volt wire, going to the cigarette lighter, and well, I need to repair them. So I did think that it will interest you to see me solder some wire. So let's go ahead and start this. As you remember, my PS2 is in. Need to find my wire. I got my power limiter here in my PS2. That's the wire I need to solder. Because you can see, there's a broken piece right here. Need to be soldered to this one. So we'll go ahead and do this. So this is my garage where I'm going to work. So let's do this. Fuck. Let's go ahead and head to my room because my soldering iron is not here.
J'étais assise et la maison s'est mise à secouer dans tous les sens. C'était de droite à gauche et ensuite on dirait que ça montait et descendait. Donc c'était vraiment extrême.
Now I need to find this. Oh, right here. There you go. That's what I needed.
Leur maison tient le choc, mais la fille de Jacinthe, Françoise, et sa cousine Coralie se trouvent dans un autre quartier.
Tout de suite j'ai pensé à ma fille. Parce que je vais lui parler.
It says this is going to my power inverter, so I can get power from my PS2. But I cut the wire a while back because I needed it, so now I will just solder it back. Go. Plug this in. Oops. I hate those cutters, but it doesn't have any orders, so wow, it smells shit. There you go, just like that. Same for this one. Pretty much the same one? Yeah. Pretty much the same thing. So this getting cut just like that. Just like that. soldering it together. So that's gonna be like this. Just like that. Going to solder this. Don't know if it's gonna focus on the. I don't think it's gonna focus on the wire. Whatever. Not that much of importance. So let's prepare for the soldering. Just stay there for fuck's sake. It's getting hot already. Not enough, but almost. Need to heat up the wire. Just stay there for God's sake. Oh my god, I need a lot of solder because the wire is pretty big. So there you go. Just like that. Yeah, that's a good solder. Just like this. Strong as hell now. Showing the breakup, I guess. Oops. Now let's put up this black tape. Ow. Just like so. Just like that. And then let's put this together just like that. Just like that. It's pretty good, I think. Wire soldered it up. That's not much of a deal. So I got my red and my black. So it's all good. It's all ready for the car, except for one thing that I want to remove is this little shit. There you go. Just and it's good to go for my power inverter. So, as you remember, I told you last week that my PKA has been reported. I'm hoping to pick up my car this Friday or next Monday or Tuesday maximum. It shall not exceed Tuesday, but if I'm lucky, I'm getting it Friday. So that's pretty much all. Just wanted to make a little update video, as I didn't make any since the last week. So this is ready. And that's pretty much all. So thanks. I'm done for this video. So I'll keep you posted, guy. And I'll make another video next week when I get the car for sure. It's the last boring video you will see on my channel. So good night. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the top. And thank you for watching. Bye.